as you can see, we kind of already started on this, but I think I'm gonna have to do more because I want to Bondo this, and I'm gonna lift this. It's probably tomorrow. Take off the wheel, hammer that back in. Yeah, there's just so much to do. Yeah, we're getting this thing ready for wrap. So we're gonna find all the little dents and shit. And we got a bunch of little nicks right here. Is that really it on top? Oh, here's another one right here. Another one right here. Another one right there, right there. There. This is a whole shit ton. But yeah, we're gonna get ready for wrap, and I'm not sure what color I want. Kind of want to do a white, but I'm thinking like a dark gray, to be honest. But white is fantastic. Like here we got a dent. Gotta Bondo all that. Sand all this stuff down, sand that down. This is recent. I didn't even notice this. I don't remember that at all. We got all of this. We have the Bondo. Gonna Bondo that hole in. Gonna Bondo this in. Yeah, we have a lot to do. The bottom is so scratched up too. I might just have to take off the bumper itself and do it on its own. But yeah, we're just gonna start. It'll be mostly a time lapse, so just enjoy the time lapse. So pretty much we're gonna start off. We have an 80 grit for like the heavier areas where it's like that, and then we have the 220 grit for like the softer areas. That's it. Our main job is just to get the rust and the scratches out, just flatten them out. And if it's a dent, then we're gonna Bondo it. So yeah, look at this right here. How do you do that to the side skirt? No. All right, so let's begin. Okay, quick update. Look at that. That looks crazy. Let's go over there. Come on. So yeah, we pretty much filed all the rough. This bumper was pretty much fucked but I don't want to spend money on another bumper, so I'm already buying the rear. So now all we got to do is wash the car off, which I'm gonna go to a car wash just to do it really quick, and then that's it. I'm debating if I should do the rear bumper because I want the lip kit that goes with it, but I don't know if it goes. I think I'll just do the bumper, fuck it. But the hatch is pretty great. I don't see any scratches on it, so thank God. This wing, it's gonna go. So I'm not even gonna bother. Or maybe I should, just to primer it down and resell it. Okay, let's do it. So the results of the sanding is actually really good. It's all smooth, literally no bumps at all. I might just have to go over like little coarser areas, and that's it. And then we got to fill up all the Bondo holes, like all these spots that I fucked up, and all the holes, the deep holes. What else? Oh, I just noticed there's a fucking dent right here. Maybe I'll just try to take that out. Yeah, and then we gotta spray paint everything. And then we gotta take off that wheel, hammer all this shit out. Hopefully it fixes it. If not, I'm gonna have to Bondo it. And then now we have this problem. Yeah, this is from the previous owner. A bunch of nice little goodies. Nice little buttons, kombucha, Target receipts. Yeah, nice. We're gonna go vacuum that out and clean all that in there. That's what we're gonna go do now. That way I can actually go get some of the carpet cleaner. So let's go. So in here, basically what I did, I just gave everything a nice little detail wipe. So I got into all the little crevices inside the cup holders and everything. The door panels and everything. I tried the best I could. Obviously there's spots that I can't reach by myself, especially these vents. Maybe I'll just get like a Q-tip, just put it in there. And I shampooed these seats. I'm about to ride it wet, so now my ass is about to be wet. Fuck. Ugh. And I'm wearing gray shorts, so see my ass print. Alright, we're back from the store. Now we're gonna spray down all the carpets with Tough Stuff. I've never used this, but we're gonna try it out. Yeah, that one looks a little bit better, but you can see how there's hella still brown shit in there. I'm gonna try and get a driver's side just to replace it. For now, we'll just wash it. Okay, well, I power washed it and my dumbass camera was not recording, but all of the brown shit came out, and look at that white logo. It's all red now. You can actually see it compared to before. It's got like damage from over time, but I'm just gonna let it dry out now. We're gonna power wash the rest now. So yeah, enjoy this time lapse with me power watching everything else, because yeah. All right, now while that dries up, we're gonna start with the Bondo time, baby.